Hi everyone, this is Ali Nasser, and first of all, I want to let you know that this is not usual content for my channel, but I would like to share with you my story about how I recovered my Facebook account again. It was not easy at all. It's like a nightmare. I tried many things to fix this issue. So let me guide you to how to fix this issue, because I know many people face this problem in meanwhile. I prepared presentation to discuss the issue and methods for solutions this issue. Let's go and start. Let's discuss the issue. The issue actually started one night. I received an email from Facebook. It was a strange email as apparent here, saying that my password had been changed. The email is from other side of the world, from Canada, while I'm live in Egypt. So it is so clear that was a hacking attempt. I tried to respond immediately, but I was shocked to find my account had been disabled or suspended, and this was a main problem. So after a while, I found another message said my account was suspended because my linked Instagram account didn't follow the rules. That it was a strange account and it didn't belong to me at all. This is main problem. How this account access my account center at Instagram and affected to my Facebook account. Actually, I feel this is a loophole in Facebook and Instagram. So first of all, I should suggest to you use first solution or first method. Go to Instagram account. I know maybe you wonder why I have to go to Instagram account. That was my Facebook hacked, not Instagram. I know, but you must reported your account has been hacked, because they will indicate for EI or Facebook employees. So easily go to instagram.com hacked and select my account was hacked, then next, and add your email or phone number. That's all. This is very important point. Second method, try to also reported your Facebook was hacked by go to facebook.com/hacked or facebook.com/recover. I know this is normal or natural methods, and this always failed, but you have to do it because will indicate for EL or employees of Facebook or Meta company. The most effective method to solve this problem was go to EU member firm. I know maybe you wonder I'm not in EU countries, but you can use a VPN to access this firm. If you don't have VPN, you will find not found. This page will not found in your browsing. So I recommend it for you. Go to and get Google with VPN. Try many. There are many websites for VPN, and most of them free. To open this form, select my account has been hacked. Then try to fill this form very careful. you have to create another email, new secured email, because it is very important to receive or your the data, or how to get your Facebook again. So I advise you to use ChatGPT to fill this form, and please be careful to fill this form with your information. Describe everything about this problem. Here, you can write any email, preferred contact. This is not important, this point, but most important point in your secure email. Also, try to find your account URL. I know your account right now is disabled, but you can ask anyone from your friends to give you your URL, even it is disabled. Just type here your username. Don't type http www. No. Just the last sentence after slash equals your username. Also, fill normal brains here, and after this you will get directly email from Meta support, maybe after 5 hours, 6 hours, but not usually not more than 3 days or 5 days, and sometimes actually from 3 days to 7 days, maybe you can get respond. I know Facebook or Meta support maybe is frustrated you again and said that we are unable to provide access based on your information. No problem, don't give up, try again. You return to EU firm and revise this firm what you missed, describe more about your problem. After this is necessary actually. I also tried this firm. You can report problem with login in. Tell us what is happening for your account. I will add some descriptions, for examples in description box. Also, all URL or all links you will find in descriptions box. Here, just describe what happened to your account, and choose file. Maybe screenshot for this one. Disabled, your account was disabled. Upload this one and send this form. Maybe you get a good news about this form. Also try to use method 5. Go to this link and fill out a report and issues page or news feed. Here you can choose your ID. I would recommend it for you to use passport here. Upload your passport and describe your issue again. Your account was hacking because strange Instagram linked to your account center, something like this. I will add you examples in description box. After this, you have to try method number 6. Method number 6, it was actually subscribed to Meta verified via Instagram. After you subscribed or paid money, it's about maybe $4 or something like this. you can use support of Instagram to discuss your issue. Actually, I made about 28 tickets to find my problem solved. But don't forget that don't give up of that. Many people at Meta support maybe frustrated you, something like this. Unfortunately, you cannot get your account back, and we're able to provide access based on your information providing. Something like this you cannot recover. Don't believe them, and don't give up. Just try many times, but not all of the times. Then maybe you can three tickets per day or 4 tickets at least. Also, you can try to type in live chat, and email. So I got many emails like this with very bad impressions or bad news, but don't give up. Try. Don't stop. Also, you can find this message. Actually, the hackers try to recover my account, but Facebook sends to me link to get back and to him also. But actually, I found problem here to recover it with natural method. This security method I found. First, I have to upload my ID. After that, I found hacking or hackers add authentications app. So this was the close problem or big problem to find authentication app I never added. So I didn't stop and try again and again by the previous method. And one day I found this magic message from Facebook told me that your account you can recover your Facebook account again. I'm happy with this. Also, I changed everything in my profiles. First thing, let me let you piece of advice to secure your account after you get back. First of all, you have to unlink your Facebook from Instagram to avoid security loop rule. Actually, there are looper in account center of Instagram. So don't link your Facebook with Instagram. In meanwhile, I recommend this. Maybe some people don't like this, but I recommend it to save you at the meanwhile. The second point, you have to create new two-factor authentication with Google Authenticator. Third thing to protect your account, you have to add in 2 email or 3 email for you, in addition to phone numbers to protect your account more. Also, you have to ensure your personal info matches with your ID for easy recovery. This is very important, and this is all about my story. I hope this story be useful for you to recover it or restore your account again. My regards, Ani Asr.